friends, my name is Ujjwala. This video is on the Python language. I am going to give you some introduction about the Python language in this video. So, what are the basic features or characteristics of Python language? We should know, because Python is very popular nowadays in the industry, because Python may reduce your code and time to run it. Means space complexity and time complexity for the Python language is too short. Okay, so first feature of Python language is nothing but it is very popular programming language nowadays, or we can say that in 2020 year. Okay, in the world analysis we have found it. Second feature for the Python is it is mostly used for automation, because for automation the machine learning is required, deep learning is required, various libraries and modules are used for running the code, but all these features are in Python only. So by using the Python libraries, modules, we can run the automated code to bring the automation into the industry field. Okay, so automation nowadays very important for us. We can see the robots how they are working, and they are basically built on the coding part, because if you are giving the programming or set some paradigm into the robot machine, then and then only robot will going to work on your instructions. Okay, so some set of data we have to give to robot, and this is basically in automation part. Okay, so yeah, for that Python is used. So look how Python is important. So third point is it is created by Guido van Rossum. This is the name of a scientist who invented this language, and it is released on February 20 in the year 1991 firstly. Okay, so yeah, be remember this year for the Python. 1991 Python is getting released on February 20. Fifth feature is it is easy to code and it is easy to read language, because the syntax for the Python is very easy as compared to C and Java languages. It is portable language, as you can know. Then it is object oriented language, which provide the various framework libraries into the Python, and whole programming of object oriented is also we can write in the Python language. Okay, it is high level language programming. Means what is meant by high level language? Basically, effortlessly we can run and write the code for the Python. Hence it is high level language, because in this language various data is included, that is module, library, framework, which I have told you before also. Okay, so hence it is very high level language, and it is open source language. What do you mean by open source? Because it is mainly OSL based, that is open source license based language. So it is very easy to learn and free to use in any in the industry automation or in the economic field. Okay, hence we can call it as an open source language. And best and last function is Python is a robust language. So yeah, these all are the features for the Python language. And if any one feature you might not get it clearly, you can watch the video again by stopping for the Python. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video up to the end, and these are the few features for the Python, and I am going to come with more video on Python, which can contain variables, data types, strings, and all about Python language. So thank you.